It's a shameful thing to see Chukwuma Soludo, the governor of Anambra State, forgetting all the crimes and the insecurity in Anambra State. Rather, he considered on attacking Peter Obi, who say he wants to be Nigerian president just for one term and try to fix the country. People say this. Sometimes we say too much education can be against you. Soludo himself is failed the people of Anambra State. When I watch him and his son, the way they behave, I thought this man has nothing to offer Anambra State. Unfortunately, I am among people that are hyper for such a man to ascertain a governorship position because I thought he has something to offer. But since that man went in to be a governor, all I can see is an egoistic, envy, jealousy, and unguided ways. So those ways towards Peter Obi makes me begin to question even some of his academic achievement. It is Soludo goes to the Anambra seat in order to be attacking Peter Obi, or he goes there for the interest of the people. And in fact, he was so proud by saying it. This is not the first time this guy is attacking Peter Obi, who himself have not for one day attacked his leadership. He was doing his thing, pressing to be a president of the country if opportunity allows. But who is attacking him? His own brother. We know this thing often happen, and Igbos need to start calling this out. We know during the time of Buhari first tenure and what they call it, Rochas, when Rochas ran for presidency those days, do you know Okadibos from that same area create nuisance in Igbo land? The same thing when Ojukwu was president for Biafra. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the same thing. Create nuisance from that same Anambra area. Now Obi is doing the same thing now. Who is probably our Anambra brothers. It's time that we Anambra brothers begin to pull their people over and say, hey, Soludo, you have overstretched. You're welcome. In fact, his behavior now and the way insecurity is going on in Anambra, Soludo does not deserve second term. I'm telling you this. The way he's behaving, you begin to question if Soludo, he said Peter Obi needs psychiatry, right? You think that he need a mental health, physicians to guide him or to check him out. It is unacceptable. You can listen to what he said here and let me know what you think. Anyway, please like this thing and share. Thanks.
To people and say, I will do only one term. Anybody, any politician who said that must be sent to a psychiatric home. Because the person must have some mental problem. When the Constitution allows you to stay up to 8 years, they come and tell us, I'm going to spend one term. Tell us where it has ever happened. Who? On a column, Nkwane Kwewai. Bo. Nkwane Kwewai. Bo. Nga watching, go to Yaba. Go watching, go to Yaba. Anybody who is saying I'm going to do one term needs a psychiatric examination. Because you are taking everybody else to be fooling, to be a fool. Anambra, we have advanced. There are calibers and categories of people that Anambra has since gone much higher. We are not going to go.
From this guy's words, you will know that Soludo is just talking out of enviness. He's just talking out of stupidity. Say Anambra have gone higher, they are not going to go there. So what does it mean? That Peter Obi, who has governed in Anambra, left Anambra in a good health. He's actually one of the governors that can actually travel everywhere without much security like others. And it's so heartening for him to disgrace him and be talking all this crap. Anambra people should call this man in order. Igbos should call this man in order. I don't know his own academic qualification, if it's right or maybe it's... I think this guy developing mental problems. So you definitely need to be checked on mental problem. Thank you. Please share this video and let me know what you think. Bye.